guys, welcome back to Let's Enjoy Gardening Life. Hope you're all well. So we have been a little tad busy last weekend and this weekend. So last weekend we made a start on building a new bench, or benches, this side and the corner. I will show you in a minute. What else did we do last weekend?
Dismantled the old bench.
Yeah, dismantled the old bench as well, as you heard James say that. I had the marvellous idea of more lighting in here. Is use my ring light. So yeah, you see it does get dark in the shed. So I'm waiting for the kettle to boil. So really this is just an update video of what's been going on. Yeah. That's about it, I think. So I don't know when the next video is going to be. This is literally coming quite quick up to Christmas, so yeah, just look out for any update videos on the channel and we'll talk to you again soon. So we've rubbed all this down and restarted, so plots 29-30 chicken project to finish. I'm not too sure on plot 34. We got plot 33, which is my plot. And so we got finished dig bonfire. But there might be more jobs to do. And then down here I'm going to write the materials, what we need. So I think I'm going to finish doing that. I will show you the wind damage we've had last weekend. That was really horrible, that was. So yeah, I'm going to show you that as well, but this is what we started doing last weekend. So we've built that one. Yesterday we built the frame for this side, which is going to be an L-shape bench, but we done it in two sections. On this bench we're going to have the nest boxes there, and we're going to have the where the chicks are going to be on. I think it's either on top or underneath. I don't know what James is planning to do with that, but yeah, that's what we've done. We've put a shelf up there, and you see in the previous video, a short video of an update on the channel. So yeah, we've done that as well. Put photos of the previous years, and I don't know, you got any from 2010?
No, only snow ones. When we had that bad snowfall.
Okay.
In 2010.
Yeah. So is that the only one we've got? 2012. Oh no, 2011. We've got one photo of 2011. And then we've got a lot. Oh no. Yeah, I see 2011 right in that corner. Oh, friggin' rooting this now. Yeah. 2011 in that corner, photos. And it goes to 2019, but we've got lots of photos of 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020, so we've got to do an update on that. But I will show you the damage we had from the wind, so I'll show you that in a second. So yeah, I am actually going to show you what's happened. So we had to put wood here to hold down the polythene, because what the polythene was doing, the wind's been under it and like literally flap it like that. So yeah, I had to stop that from doing that. Yeah, there's not much really done in my area because, like I said, it is more. Babe, I found someone's greenhouse in my area. Greenhouse door. Yeah, that one there. Look. It might be from that greenhouse door. Yeah, that one there.
Yeah, look. It's
blowing
all the panels out, isn't it?
Yeah.
It belongs to that.
Oh, never mind.
Problem is, it's that cheap greenhouse.
Yeah.
It's a cheap one. That polycarbonate.
This is what has happened on the neighbour's plot.
Sorry, but there might be some racket. Might be some racket in a minute.
So yeah, that's what happened. So yeah, I wasn't very good seeing that blown over. Not much else damage really, is there?
No.
So yeah.
No, it's still there. It's good. It's good. Good. That's all still there. Lovely.
Yeah.
Cover's still
I
down.
was just showing them what's happened on that.
Cover's still down.
Oh, bloody foxes again. So yeah.
Blown them down.
Look, that would be a fox, wouldn't it?
Wow, what squirrels? Because squirrels are looking for their
See about squirrels need to jog on. So yeah, we haven't had much damage on this plot, other than the roses keep falling over. I picked them up yesterday. Just going to leave them off. On that, where my seeds are, I found something eating the cress seeds that are slowly growing, but I've put cover on that. So yeah, other than that, it's not too bad really. I've watered everything. Yeah, but I will show you on plots 34 and 33, which are my plots, so I'll show you what is going on that plot. Someone's lost the top of their compost bins, So yeah, as you can see behind me, that's what happened. It's not very good. No one else is over yet. So basically we lock ourselves in, otherwise people will nick things on this plot, because there is holes for people to come in and nick stuff, because there has been a lot of robbery on this site. So yeah, that's why we lock ourselves in. And then someone that's lost their polytunnel. I am not having a polytunnel at all. So yeah, I'm gonna start with plot 34. But before I show you the damage, the leaks have come out really well. They're slowly coming. So yeah, I will switch you around and show you. Now look at the leaks. They are coming out slowly. Don't know if you'll be able to see, but yeah. That's what they look like now. So yeah, here's the leaks. So unfortunately, that polytunnel we made don't go all the way. So we have to come up with a plan. Now, you're ready for the damage of what the wind has caused. Now look at that damage. So yeah, this top glass panel roof there popped out. This big bit here, that side there, popped out. I will glass on my plot where James has dug over, and we've got our bonfire at some point as well, but I don't know when. But there's a lot still to be done on plot 33, which is my plot. So yeah, that's what the damage has caused by the wind. That was blown over, so we took that down. It was along here where the jasmine plant is. So yeah, I was along there. I haven't lost any glass in, well, on James's granddad's greenhouse. This was his granddad's greenhouse. But we've got the glass stored in there. Now yeah, I'm just going to retrieve the tripod that I need. So I'm going to put the bricks there. And then put the bricks back where I found them. So yeah, I'm actually going to go and find him now. See if the hot drinks are ready. So yeah, gonna walk down back to plot 30, plot 2930. That's what it's called. But yeah, it's a little bit cloudy, as you can tell. But you know, I ain't gonna stop James and I from being over allotment. We love being out in the fresh air. It actually relaxes me as well. But no, yeah, so you know, it relaxes me, stress free. But actually no, I can't say stress free. It's a little bit stressful because you gotta buy timber, all the materials you've got to buy. Yeah, there's some damage on someone else's plot. I'll show you quick. But this is plot. I think it's plot number 16, but no, yeah, they lost the polytunnel cover and their compost bins as well. But yeah, now on coming up to plot 2930. So yeah, if you want to see any more videos, please feel free to watch our previous videos that's up on YouTube, and don't forget to hit the check out Instagram page. You know, it's getting there. We need more views, we need more subs, so please come along and join in our community on YouTube. But yeah, have a very, very nice day. Right, it is time to go home and have some tea. Another good day. We have allotment, even though it was wet and windy. But at the end of the day, it was actually quite sunny, wasn't it?
Yeah.
For the last little bit. There he is, the master. That's his name. The king of the garden, I would say. So, yeah, just gotta make sure no one else is about.
No, it's not actually.
That's right, we can look. Yeah.
Yeah.
I tried to do the bonfire but failed epically, didn't I? Yeah, it was raining, wind didn't help at all. So yeah, if you like to see any more of our videos, please hit the like, subscribe or comment, and hit the bell button. Sorry. Yeah, and see you next weekend.